I know. Here we go. Goes straight up and then comes more than straight back down again. Watch this. Whee! Woo! Let's do this.
No, too high.
You ready? I assume you've been on this before.
Yeah,
Yeah, multiple times. Awesome. This is a bit like the lift on Smiler at Alton Towers, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. Woo!
The lift at Smiler is like really tall.
Yeah, this isn't as tall, is it?
It's a vertical climb.
Oh god. And that
Woo! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Woo! Woo! Ah, nice hang time, love it. Yeah. Yeah, nice coaster, we like that. I might go again. Are you going to go again?
Yeah, this is my second time.
Cool.